Good morning students. In our last video we have seen how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. It means we can solve our practice set number 9. So today we are going to learn our practice set number 10. If you observe in your practice set number 10, whatever things we have to do, okay, addition of mixed fraction. What is the meaning of mixed fraction we have seen, and we have to do the addition of mixed fraction. Okay, now pay attention properly. Suppose the example is given in front of you just like this. 3 7 upon 2 plus 8 1 upon 2. If you observe, this is the mixed fraction, and how to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction already we have learned. First of all, the example we have to write down. Suppose the example is written in this way: 3 7 upon 2 plus 8 1 upon 2. This mixed fraction we have to convert into improper fraction first. How to convert improper fraction? In this two number multiplication is there, and in this two number addition is there. Okay, so write down 2 multiplied by 3 plus 7, and denominator is same, that is the 2. Denominator, whatever denominator is given, we have to write down that denominator as it is. Give the plus sign, positive sign. Okay, and next one, 2 multiplied by 8, in this two number multiplication, in this two number addition. 2 multiplied by 8 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, we can write down this also. Now do the multiplication. 2 3 are 6 plus 7 divided by 2 plus 8 2 are 16 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, now 6 plus 7, add the number, that is 13 divided by 2 plus 16 plus 1, that is 17 divided by 2. And in 5th standard we have learned that whenever the denominator are same and we have to do the addition. Okay, pay attention properly. Denominator are same and addition we have to do. Addition sign is given. So we have to write down the denominator one time, that is denominator 2. Take that 2 common and numerator addition 13 plus 17. Okay, do the addition. Okay, 30 divided by 2. This is your final answer. 30 divided by 2. This is the improper fraction. It means mixed fraction addition. Answer is improper. We know that we can divide it 30 divided by 2. In the table of 2, 30 is also divide the 30 by 2. That is 2 1s are 2. Remaining 1 and 2 5s are 10. It means our answer is 15 also. You can write down the answer 15 or you can write down the answer 30 divided by 2. It is also considered. Okay. Now next thing, pay attention properly. Next example, suppose you have given in this way. This is the denominator is same, but whenever the denominator is not same, so what can we do at that time? These things also we have learned in 5th standard. Whenever the denominator are different, we have to do the cross multiplication method. 2 1 upon 5 plus 3 4 upon 6. Take 6. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to do the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Same way, in this two number multiplication, in this two number addition, 5 multiplied by 2 plus 1 divided by 5, and middle sign positive, give that sign. In this two number multiplication, in this two number addition, 6 multiplied by 3 plus 4 divided by 6. Okay, now do the multiplication. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 6 3s are 18 plus 4 divided by 6. Do the addition. 10 plus 1 11 divided by 5 plus 18 plus 4 22 divided by 6. Now if you observe, in our first example we can take the denominator are same, so we can take denominator one time. But if you observe this situation, denominators are not same. So what can we do at this situation? So in 5th standard we have learned whenever the denominators are different, we have to do the cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication means what? 11 multiplied by 6 and denominator multiplication, denominator side 5 multiplied by 6. We are doing the addition, so give the addition sign. 22 multiplied by 5 and denominator multiplication on denominator side 5 multiplied by 6. 5 multiplied by 6. 11 6 are 66. 5 6 are 30. Plus 22 5 are 110. 5 6 are 30. Okay. Now the denominators are same 30 30. So take that denominator 30 one time and numerator addition 66 plus 110. Do the addition 6 plus 0 6. 6 plus 1 7 and 1 as it is 176 divided by 30. This is your final answer. It means what? Don't fear about it. Whenever the denominators are different, so do the cross multiplication, make the denominator equal and then do the addition. And in the same way, subtraction also same. Subtraction, it means what? Whenever we are taking the subtraction, one example, it means today we are going to learn addition also and subtraction of mixed integers. These two things in front of you. It means you can easily solve your practice set number 10. Okay, now what is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction of mixed fraction. Suppose in your exercise the example is given 3 1 upon 3 minus 1 1 upon 4. Same way do it in this two number multiplication, in this two number addition. So 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1 divided by denominator is 3. So write down 3. Negative sign, do that or give that negative sign. In this two number multiplication, in this two number addition, 4 multiplied by 1 plus 1 divided by 4. Okay, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 4 1s are 4 plus 1 divided by 4. Okay, do it. 9 plus 1 that is 10 divided by 3 minus 4 plus 1 5 divided by 4. Same way we have to go it, only negative sign is there. So don't fear about it. All four numbers are different. Do the cross multiplication method. It means denominators are not same. Here is 3 and here is 4. So do it cross multiplication. 10 multiplied by 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 4 minus 3 multiplied by 5 cross multiplication divided by 3 multiplied by 4. Do the multiplication. 10 4s are 40. 3 4s are 12 minus 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. Now if you observe the denominators are same, that is 12 and 12. So take the denominator one time, that is 12, and in numerator we have to do the subtraction 40 minus 15. It is simple. In addition we have to do the addition here and in subtraction we have to do the subtraction. It means same way. Addition and subtraction go by same method. Only here it change. In the second last step you have to do the changes, that is in addition do the addition and in subtraction do the subtraction. 40 minus 15 answer is 25 divided by 12. This is your final answer. 25 divided by 12. 40 minus 15 that is 25 and 25 divided by 12. We have to do the subtraction. Answer is 25 divided by 12. Okay. I hope that you can understand how to solve subtraction of mixed fraction and addition of mixed fraction. So try to solve your practice set number 10. Read the word problems also properly. Otherwise we are taking that word problems also. So you can easily understand that word problems. Okay. Chalo then solve the practice set number 10 and send the photos on our WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you.